nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video has absolutely nothing to do with Valentine's Day. This video is for a collab that I'm doing on Instagram. I'm going to be turning myself into an animal. We're doing an animal collab. I'm going to be turning myself into a deer. I have no idea how I'm going to do this. I don't have a frame of reference. All I know is I want to be a deer. So I'm going to be turning myself into a deer. I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette and then the Morphe 15T Your True Selfie palette. But the Your True Selfie palette is going to be for the eye look. And then the James Charles palette is going to be for me decorating my face to look like a deer. Wish me luck, because again, I don't like, because I tried to look up deer pictures and I didn't like the way any of them looked. Like, they looked too sexy. I'm trying to look cute and like a deer and not like I'm about to go to the club on Halloween. Not going for that look. I'm going for a deer look. So I'm going to be doing that. Also, if you see my lips moving during this entire thing, she's quiet right now, but I'm currently FaceTiming my friend back home. So I'm waiting for her to say something, but I told her I'm filming, so she's just staring at me. It's gonna be awkward, but if you see my lips moving, you're not missing me saying anything. I'm having a conversation, doing my makeup here, and talking to a friend back home. It's a lot. It's multi-talented over here. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get started. No. So for the eye look, I'm going to be using from here, and then I'm going to use one shade from the Morphe James Charles palette. From here, I'm going to be using Throwback, which is this brown shade here, and Strike a Pose, which is this shade here. Of course, we're going to use Strike a Pose first and then Throwback. Then we're going to move on to the Morphe and James Charles palette. From the James Charles palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Ring Light, which is this shade right here. And where I put the concealer, we're going to pop that shade right there. I'm using my Morphe brush 156, M156. I think that's right, because it's gone. I know I look a little crazy. I was just told I look crazy, but I purposely did my concealer in this way because I feel like deer, you know, light, dark, all that good stuff. So I'm going to be going into this James Charles and Morphe palette. I don't know why I can't never get it open. I'm going to be taking the shades. I should turn it the correct way. I'm going to be taking the shades Tune, Cold James, 10% off, and No Beans. I'm going to use all those shades to decorate my face. So, I'm going to be using Tune, Cold James, 10% off, and No Beans. So these 4 shades I'm going to be using to turn myself into a deer. And I'm going to use the lightest shade first to set my concealer and to make my face look lighter, because everything else is going to be dark. And then I'm going to use the darker shades on the outsides. And the darkest shade is going to be my contour for my nose, especially because, you know, the deers have very beautiful, slender snout. I don't want to say nose. I don't think they call it a nose, but they got that thing going on. So I'm going to be using my beauty sponge, which I bought here in Korea, to apply tune to the concealed areas, and then I'm going to be using this brush for the browns. So now we're going to go to the nose, and I can't find my black paint, so I'm going to be using this liquid lip from Clean Color in the shade Black Licorice, or Licorice. Licorice is just licorice, not black licorice. Might as well take the paper off. But I'm going to be using that to draw on the nose detailing and whatnot. I'm not good at that. I've never been good at that, so we'll see how this goes. And my friend is sitting here laughing at me because she said I look crazy, but it's fine. Now, I'm not done. I decided that I think eyeshadow would be better for the black because obviously the lipstick was mixing with everything else that's on my face. So I'm going to take the shade Spooky and fill in all this blackness on camera while my friend is talking to her boyfriend. So this is crazy. And I'm using the other end of that Morphe M156 brush to fill it in. My lips are gonna be dry. She's been making fun of me this whole time while I'm doing this. She's like, it's cute, but you look crazy. It's cute, but you look crazy. I appreciate the support. Now my nose was a little complicated because the deer nose is real cute and slender, and my nose is all big and ain't nothing cute about this at all. I hate my nose. I hate it so much. I mean, I don't want a Bratz doll nose, but I don't like this big, huge thing that I got sitting on my face. I remember last time I did this, I had colored mucus, so I need to be careful. I did a clown look for Halloween. Got a little too crazy. And, yeah. It's looking a little lionish, but you know, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix it. Here's another fun part. I'm going to be taking this liquid lipstick and making white dots all over my face. Well, not all over, but just, you know, sparingly, but enough to make it look like I'm a deer, if that makes sense. And my friend is, oh, she hung up. Well, I don't think she hung up on purpose. She was talking to her boyfriend anyway, so the call hung up. So, I won't be talking during this part. Okay, now I'm not saying deers have disgusting looking lips, but their lips are a strange color, and I don't have a tan lipstick to put on my face, so I'm going to be taking Cookie, which is close enough. In the bottom half, I'm going to use that to, I look really cute. Oh, see, this is the kind of deer I wanted. I didn't want going to the club trying to catch a male deer. I wanted the cute, wootsy, leave me alone, I'm by myself deer. So the face part is done, and I gotta say I'm proud of myself. This is real cute. I actually have antlers from Christmas that I'm gonna put on my head, so there's that. Now I'm going to go into the Mar palette, and I'm going to take the shade El Rey, which is this one right here, and I'm going to put that down here so that there's like, this is not black, because I need that to not be black. I don't know why I didn't start it on camera, but I'm taking my Hello Gregory highlighter and unicorn frosting, and I'm going to just go at the bottom like this so it's brighter than here. It's kind of crazy that I actually look like an animal. I wasn't expecting this. It's cute though, and then put a little, okay, that was more than a little, but you know, we gonna make it work. She's a deer, but she's a glam. I think I'm done. Well, minus my hair, but you know, I'm gonna be a wild deer. Now, they look a little Christmassy, and I'm trying to crouch them so you guys can see them. These are my antlers. I bought these for Christmas, for a little Christmas shindig at my school. I said shindig. And, I'm feeling very deer-like, and I like it. I think for this year, for Halloween, I'm gonna be, oh, time out. I'm gonna be a deer. This is cute. I surprised myself because I wasn't expecting it to be this cute. I was gonna mess up something, and I like it. I like it. But that's it for this video. The pictures will come tomorrow because it's due tomorrow. Well, it'll be tomorrow for me. It won't be tomorrow for y'all. It's gonna still be Monday for y'all because it's already Monday here. So that's it. That's all. Again, I actually showed everything I used in this video this time, except for me putting on my lashes and doing the liner, but that's because I have to get this close to a mirror. So, the lashes are from Hello Gregory. They're his Aphrodite lashes, and I love them. I did cut them though, so, like, because at first they were the right length of my eye, but then because they're so, like, these are really wispy, but also really long, I cut the front. So there's nothing, I have nothing there but my natural lashes. But, I like this. I'm gonna go take pictures. And you will see this video on Instagram and on YouTube. Bye.